Hello students, welcome to the Maths online class. Dear students, how are you all? I hope all are fine and safe. Children, today we will identify the 3D shapes for the given properties. Okay, today we will identify the 3D shapes for the given properties. Children, already we know the 3D shapes. Okay, what are the 3D shapes, ma'am? What are the 3D shapes? Very good. Cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder and sphere. Okay, are 3D shapes. Okay children, cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder and sphere are 3D shapes. Children, 3D shapes have faces, edges and corners. Okay, so 3D shapes are also called solid shapes, ma. So solid shapes have faces, edges and corners. Okay, first property faces, next one edges, next corners. Okay, children, look at the slide all of you. So today unit 4 day 7. Okay, unit 4 day 7. Children, see the slide. Circle the objects with 6 faces. Circle the objects with 6 faces. Children, there are 4 pictures are given. Okay, so this question, circle the objects with 6 faces. Okay, circle the objects with 6 faces. Children, first one, paneer cubes. Okay, next shoe box. Third one, ice cream cone. Fourth one, thread pool. Okay, so this question, circle the objects with 6 faces. So which is the correct answer, ma'am? Which is the correct picture? First one, second one or third one and fourth one? Which is the correct, ma'am? So circle the objects with 6 faces. Okay, yeah. So 6 faces. So which shape, ma? Which shape the 6 faces? Very good. Cube. Okay, yeah. So first one answer, paneer cubes. Okay, children. See the answer all of you. So second one, shoe box, ma. So shoe box, cuboid shape. Next ice cream cone, cone shape. Next thread pool, cylinder shape. Okay, so the 6 faces, cube shaped. So first one answer is correct. Okay, paneer cubes. See the answer. Next shoe box also 6 faces. Okay, so the cube and cuboid 6 faces. Okay children, cube 6 faces and cuboid also 6 faces. Okay, so paneer cubes and shoe box have 6 faces. Okay children, is it clear? Okay ma. Next one is then, see the next question part. Next question, circle the objects with no edges. Circle the objects with no edges. Children, so edges are sharp lines. Okay, where 2 faces meet. Okay, so but there are 4 pictures are given. Okay, so this question, circle the objects with no edges. Okay, children, first one, cake. Okay, second one, Christmas sphere. Third one, ice cream cone. Next, paneer cubes. Children, first one, cake ma. Second one, Christmas sphere. Third, ice cream cone. Fourth, paneer cubes. Children, this question, circle the objects with no edges. Okay, already we know edges. Okay, edges are sharp lines where 2 faces meet. Okay, so which is the correct answer, ma? Cake, Christmas sphere, next ice cream cone, next paneer cube. So which object with no edges? first one cake. Okay, so the cake is cylinder shape. Okay, so how many edges in cylinder? How many edges in cylinder, ma? Very good. 2 edges. Okay, next one Christmas sphere. So the Christmas sphere no edges. Okay, so this sphere shape, ma. So sphere has no edges. Okay, so sphere have only one curve face. Okay, so no edges. Next ice cream cone. So ice cream cone is cone shape. Okay, ice cream cone shape, ma. So cone has only one edge. Okay, last one paneer cubes. So this cube shape. Okay, so how many edges in cube, ma? How many edges? Very good, 12 edges. So the correct answer Christmas sphere. Okay, so circle the objects with no edges. Okay, so no edges object Christmas sphere. Okay, see the answer now. They are sphere, no edges. Okay, children, is it clear? Okay, dear. Next one. See the next question, pa. So next question, circle the objects with only one corner. Circle the objects with only one corner. Children, listen. Students, listen. So this question, circle the objects with only one corner. Okay, what is the first one, ma? What is the first picture? Very good, conical hat. Okay, next shoe box. Next one, ice cream cone. Next paneer cubes. Okay, so conical hat, shoe box, ice cream cone, paneer cubes. Okay, so this question, circle the objects with only one corner. Circle the objects with only one corner. Children, which shape has only one corner, ma? Which shape has only one corner? Very good, cone shape. Okay, children, first one conical hat. So this shape cone. Okay, next shoe box. So shoe box cuboid shape. Okay, how many corners in cuboid, ma? How many corners in cuboid? 8 corners. Okay, so cuboid has 8 corners. Next third shape, ice cream cone. So ice cream cone shape. Okay, ice cream cone also cone shape. So cone has only one corner. Okay, next paneer cube. So paneer cube cube shape. Okay, paneer cube shape, ma. So cube has 8 corner. Okay, so shoe box cuboid shape and paneer cube shape. Okay, so both have 8 corner. Okay, next conical hat and ice cream cone shape. So cone has only one corner. Okay, so the correct answer conical hat and ice cream cone. Is it clear? Okay, children, see the answer, all of you. Okay, so conical hat and ice cream cone. So both are cone, one corner. Okay, both are cones, one corner. Children, see the next question now. Next question, circle the objects that have the same faces. Circle the objects that have the same faces. Children, first one, students listen. Listen, all of you, ma. Children, listen. So this shape cube. Okay, already we know this shape cube. This shape cuboid. Okay, so cuboid. Is it clear, ma? Children, listen. So cube has 6 faces. Okay, so first faces, next edges, next one corner, ma. So number of faces, 6 faces. Okay, children, listen. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Next back side 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, children. So edges 12. Okay, but children listen here. So faces 6 faces, edges 12. Next corner. Corner 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so number of corners 8. Okay, children. So faces 6 ma, edges 12, corners 8. Okay, so this shape cube. Okay, children. See the next one. Children, listen here. So this shape cuboid. Okay, so this shape cuboid. First we will count the number of faces. Okay, students listen. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So number of faces 6. Okay, next edges. So edges the sharp line. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, next back side 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, next 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so there are 12 edges. Okay, children. Next corner. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so corner is 2 edges meet at a point is corner. Okay, this one edge ma, next this one edge. So but 2 edges meet at a point is corner. Okay, so number of corners 8. Children listen. So cube and cuboid. Okay, so cube and cuboid have faces 6, edges 12, corners 8. Okay, so faces, edges and corners are same. Okay, but only one different. Cube have 6 square faces. Okay, is it clear? Cube has 6 square faces. Children, look at the cube. So, what is the shape, ma? This one, cube shape. Okay, square face. Okay, next this side, square face. Next this side, square face. Next this side, square face. Okay, so total faces 6 ma. So 6 square faces. Okay, 6 square faces. But cuboid have 6 rectangular faces. Okay, cuboid have 6 rectangular faces. Okay, children. Students listen. So look at the face ma. So this face rectangle face. Okay, let's see the next side. So this face rectangle face. Next this face also rectangle. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 rectangular faces. Okay, but cube 6 square faces. Okay, so cube and cuboid have faces 6, edges 12, corners 8. But only one different. Cube with the 6 square faces. Cuboid have 6 rectangular faces. Okay, this square face ma, this rectangle faces. Okay, so cube with the 6 square faces. Cuboid have 6 rectangular faces. Okay, children, look at the slide now. Look at the slide. So this question, circle the objects that have the same faces. Okay, so first picture listen, cubicle block. Okay, cubicle block. Next shoe box. Next one mobile box. Next one paneer cubes. Okay, so cubicle block, shoe box, mobile box and paneer cubes. Children, this question, circle the objects that have the same faces. Okay, so first one cube shape ma, shoe box cuboid shape. Next mobile box rectangle, mobile box cuboid. Okay, next paneer cube shape. Okay, so the cubicle block cube shape and paneer cube shape. Okay, next is shoe box and mobile box cuboid shape. Okay, is it clear? Okay children, so now this question, circle the objects that have the same faces. Okay, circle the objects that have the same faces. Children, so cubical black and paneer cube shape but 6 faces. Okay, next to shoe box and mobile box have 6 faces but cuboid shape. Okay, so see the answer all of you. So cubical black and paneer cube. Okay, so both have 6 square faces. Okay, cubical black and paneer cubes. Okay children, so both have 6 square faces. So cube has 6 square faces ma. So cubical black and paneer cubes have cube shape. Okay, so both have 6 square faces. See the next one. Next to mobile box and shoe box. So both have 6 rectangular faces. Okay, both have 6 rectangular faces. Children, see the next one. Circle the objects having no corner. Circle the objects having no corners. Children, first one drum. Okay, yeah. Second picture matchbox. Third one gift box. Next one cricket ball. Okay, so there are 4 pictures are given. First one drum, next matchbox, next gift box, then cricket ball. Okay, children, this question, circle the objects having no corners. Circle the objects having no corner. Children, first one drum. Okay, yeah. So drum cylinder shape. Okay, drum cylinder shape ma. Next matchbox cuboid shape. Okay, so drum cylinder shape and matchbox cuboid shape. Next one gift box. So gift box also cuboid shape. Okay, so matchbox and gift box cuboid shape. Next one cricket ball. So cricket ball sphere shape. Okay, cricket ball sphere shape. Okay children. Students listen here. So drum cricket ball. Listen ma. Drum cylinder shape. Okay. Do you know cylinder shape ma? How many corners in cylinder? How many corners in cylinder shape ma? Very good. No corner. Okay, yeah. So cylinder shape have no corner. Next is sphere shape. So sphere shape no corner. Okay, yeah. So but cuboid have 8 corner. Okay, so matchbox and gift box cuboid shape. Cuboid has 8 corner. Okay, 6 faces and 8 corner. Children, so this correct answer drum and cricket ball. So cylinder shape have no corner and cricket ball have no corner. Okay, see the answer now. Okay, cylinder and sphere no corners. Cylinder and spheres no corners. Okay, is it clear? Children, next one now. Take your worksheet all of you. Take your worksheet ma. Page number 82. Take fast. Children, take your worksheet and page number 82. Worksheet number 8. Worksheet number 8, page number 82. Students, I am giving 10 seconds. Okay, take fast. Time start now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Children listen. Students listen. Listen all of you. Worksheet number 8. Okay children, worksheet number 8. listen ma. Okay, worksheet number 8. First question, listen. Circle the cylinder. Okay, circle the cylinder. Underline the code and cross out the cube. Children, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 pictures are given. Okay, so this question, circle the cylinder. Okay, circle the cylinder. Underline the code. Okay, circle the cylinder. Underline the code and cross out the cube. Okay, cross out the cube. Children, listen. This battery. Okay, what is the shape, ma'am? What is the shape? Very good. Cylinder shape. Okay, so this cylinder shape. Next, this one, ma'am. Ice cream cone. Okay, what is the shape? Cone shape. Okay, so this one cone shape. Next, this picture also cone shape. Okay, so this one cone shape. Next one cone shape. Okay, next this one candle. So this candle also cylinder shape. Okay, battery cylinder shape. This one also cylinder shape. Okay, what is the shape, ma'am? What is the shape? Very good. So this shape cube. Okay, this shape cube. Children, so this one cylinder shape. Next this one cone. Next shape cone. Next one cylinder. Next one cube. Okay, children, first read the question, ma'am. Circle the cylinder. Okay, circle the cylinder. So now we will circle the cylinder shape. Okay, so this shape cylinder. Okay, next this shape also cylinder. Okay, so circle the cylinder. Okay, dear. Next one, underline the code. Okay, underline the code. Okay, so we will underline the cone shape. Okay, children, underline the cone shape. Okay, next one, and cross out the cube. Cross out the cube. Children, so this shape cube. Okay, so cross. Okay, children, did you understand now? So circle the cylinder. So this shape and that shape, cylinder shape. Okay, so circle it. Next one, underline the code. So these two shapes have cone. Okay, so underline the cone shape. Next one, cross out the cube. So this shape cube, so cross it. Okay, did you understand, ma? Children, do the answer correctly. Okay, dear. Next is second question, ma. Students, listen. Next is second question. Circle the sphere. Circle the sphere and underline the cuboid. Okay, circle the sphere and underline the cuboid. Okay, children, listen. So there are three pictures given, ma. So this one box. Okay, box. Next book. Next ball. Okay, children, listen. So this box cuboid shape. Okay, next book also cuboid shape. Okay, next one ball. So what is the shape of the ball, ma'am? What is the shape of the ball? Very good. Ball sphere shape. Okay, so this box cuboid. Next book also cuboid shape. Next ball. So ball sphere shape. Okay, children, listen. So cuboid shape, cuboid. Next this one sphere shape. Okay, look at the question, ma'am. Circle the sphere. Okay, circle the sphere. So ball is sphere shape. Circle. Okay, circle the sphere. So sphere shape ball. So circle. Next, and underline the cuboid. Okay, so this box cuboid shape. Next, book cuboid shape. So underline the cuboid shape. Okay, so underline the cuboid. Okay, children. So circle the sphere and underline the cuboid. So bar sphere shape. So circle it. Next, box and book cuboid shape. So underline. Okay, children, see the answer now. See the answer. Okay, students. Students, listen. Is it clear, ma? Okay, students. Students, listen here. What is the shape, ma? What is the shape? Very good. Rectangle shape. Okay. Children, listen. But this shape, ma? Cuboid. Okay. So this shape, rectangle. This shape, cuboid. Okay. Students, listen. So already we know the 2D shape and 3D shape. Okay. So 2D means two-dimensional shapes, 3D means three-dimensional shapes. Okay, children, listen. So square, rectangle, triangle, circle and pentagon are 2D shapes. Okay, square, rectangle, triangle, circle and pentagon are 2D shapes. Cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder and sphere are 3D shapes. Is it clear, pa? Okay, children. So cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder and sphere are 3D shapes. Okay, children, listen. Students, listen. Look at the board now. Which shapes have the following? Which shapes have the following? First one curve face. Okay, one curve face. Children, listen. What is the shape, mom? Sphere. Okay, sphere, only one curve face. Okay, sphere, only one curve face. Next, this one cylinder. Okay, cylinder shape, 3 faces, ma. So 2 flat faces, 1 curve face. Okay, next, cone, 1 flat face, 1 curve face. Okay, so sphere and cone, then cylinder have 1 curved face. Okay, children, listen here. Next, flat faces. So flat faces, cuboid and cylinder are flat faces. Okay, children, listen. So cylinder 3 faces, 2 flat faces, 1 curved face. Okay, cube and cuboid fully flat faces. Okay, children, listen. Next one, no corner. Okay, so this shape, sphere. Okay, so sphere, no corner. Next, cylinder shape, no corner. Okay, children, next one, more than 6 edges. Which shape, ma'am? More than 6 edges. Very good. Cube and cuboid. Okay, more than 6 edges, cube and cuboid. Children, is it clear now? Okay, dear. See you next class, ma'am.